Hey guys, this is Mk4 Garage, back at it again. Show you guys how to install the boost gauge on a 03 Jetta Mk4. The reason I want to do this is so that I can see how many pounds of boost I'm hitting. Shout out to David. Said I'm hitting like 18, so we'll see how much I'm hitting. So I just hooked up the wiring, which I thought would be the hardest part. I used a fuse tap off of the defroster, and I used, oh, that's a little bit not pushed in. Oh, that's not good. Oh, there we go. Basically, this little fuse taps into what you have and sends a power wire to whatever you want. And then I ran a ground through here, so it's like that, all the way down to here, right into that panel. So if you're questioning if something's metal or plastic, you see that this stuff right here? That seam sealer keeps it from rusting. That's how you can tell if it's metal, because obviously plastic won't rust. This is where I'm going to put it, right here. I'm going to glue it or something like that. It's going to be like that. So let's see if the light works. I haven't really tested it out, but I just ran the wiring and I put the boost line in. So it should turn on when I turn the key. Let's see if we look here. Yep, lights up. I did blue to match my interior. Okay, this is sick. Alright, we'll get back. Now we're going to run the boost line. So I'll let you know how that goes. I got to use this, which T handles. I'll show you where the diverter valve is. I got to run that through the firewall. And I'll show you how that works. So, pop this cover off. It's the engine bay. This hose right here is where you want to come off of. It's a boost line hose. So what I ended up doing, T-handling it right there. And then, let's see, just got this cover back on. God damn. Running it all the way over here, under the zip, through the door, through here. Oh, I left the cover down below. Anyway, through this, I actually got to cut this a little bit so it hides it. And then it's going to be right here. So here, let me show you. Got to make sure all your fittings are really tight so you don't get any boost leaks. So it's running at vacuum right now, which is good. And if I had the gas, it's only up to like 1.5 RPMs right now. But I'm gonna get something to make this stick. Let me see. Turn flash off so you can see that dark. Looks pretty sick at night. So we're gonna see how many pounds of boost this hits. I do super glue because I couldn't figure out another way to hold it, but should hold up pretty well. Third gear is the strongest, it's 19 pounds-ish, 18, 19. Second gear, 13. Fourth and fifth is like 17, 18. So yeah, I'm very satisfied. It's fast as hell. And it's cool to see how many pounds of boost you hit, so. Yeah, I figured I'd show you guys how I installed this, and you know, everything seemed to hold up pretty good. I'm gonna have to cut this so that it closes up nice, but everything came out pretty clean, and yeah, and that's how you install a boost gauge.